Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a mom with her baby in the stroller. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw a mom, her eyes, nose, mouth, and her face. Then I will draw her earrings. I draw her hair. And then her body. I draw her arms like this. She is wearing a nice dress. Finally, I draw her legs and the shoes. She is going to push a stroller. Now let's draw a beautiful stroller. I start from the bottom. Then I draw the rest. I draw a heart here. Finally, I draw a pretty baby in it. I draw her eyes and her smiling mouth. I draw her head. I continue with her hair like this. Now let's continue with her body. I draw a line here for the floor. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I color the mom. I use cream for her skin. Then I paint her hair with brown. I color her earrings and her necklace with yellow. I color her shirt red. And pink. And I use blue for her skirt. I color her shoes with purple. For the car, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. Red, then I use orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, purple, and pink. Red, orange, yellow, then light green, a little dark blue, purple, fuchsia, and pink. Last but not least, let's color the baby. I use cream for her skin and light brown for her hair. Her bow is going to be fuchsia. For her outfit, I use light purple. Finally, I color the floor green. And I add a little light blue to the background. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.